Hello dear students of India, and thank you, dear big teacher, for inviting me to your land of wisdom and learning. I am Pierre-Simon Laplace, once a child of Normandy in France, who grew up under skies that stirred my imagination. I did not begin as a nobleman of science. I came from a humble home, but my heart burned with questions. Why do planets not fall? Why do tides rise? Why do stars not stray? In time, I became a student of Newton's majestic laws. Those same laws which describe how the apple falls and how the moon turns. But I asked, could we not translate Newton's geometry into the language of calculus to reach even greater precision? And thus, I began the labor of my life, Mécanique Céleste, Celestial Mechanics, a 5-volume voyage where I transformed the geometry of the heavens into analytic mathematics. With it, I showed how the planets, under gravity's quiet pull, dance a stable ballet across millions of years. But I did not work alone. I stood on the shoulders of visionaries, Copernicus, who dared to place the sun at the center; Kepler, who revealed the elliptical rhythm of planets; Newton, who taught us that one force, gravity, governs both falling apples and circling moons. Euler and Lagrange, my brilliant forerunners, who wrestled with the chaos of three-body problems and carved paths into mathematical mechanics. Beside me worked Lagrange again, a friend and rival, whose theoretical elegance inspired my more predictive practical approach. And with Jean-Baptiste Delambre, I built astronomical tables so navigators and explorers might know their place beneath the stars. Yet no science is complete in a single generation. My work flowed onward. Benjamin Pierce in America expanded our methods to ensure orbital predictions would guide an emerging scientific nation. Leverrier with mathematics alone discovered Neptune, proving that even unseen worlds could be summoned through equations. And Henri Poincaré, my intellectual descendant, found the fragile edges of certainty in our systems, showing that even order has its limits. He birthed the early ideas of chaos theory, revealing that not all can be predicted. Beyond astronomy, my thoughts reached to the formation of the solar system. I imagined it arising from a great rotating nebula, long before telescopes could confirm such visions. And my ideas of tidal forces, planetary stability, and even the determinism of nature, what some call Laplace's demon, shaped how physicists would think for generations. Today, your space missions, your planetary science, your satellite navigation, all rest upon the mechanics I helped refine. When you gaze at a rocket launch, remember, it follows equations born from the stars and minds working in harmony. Dear students, do not fear complexity. Behind the seeming chaos of the universe lies a deep, serene logic. Your minds, guided by learning and wonder, can discover it. Thank you again, big teacher, for giving me this stage beneath the southern skies. May you all continue to learn, not just what the stars are, but how they move.